What's up, YouTube? So we're over here at New York City Harley, getting ready for our annual Peace and Harmony run. Getting ready to kick off in a few, and it's a nice little ride up to Chuang Yen. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Monastery. Should be a good ride. It's first ride, at least for us, for the season, so let's get it.
Planted this tree in 2013, this white pine, which is the tree of peace, and we planted it as just a bud, and this is what it's grown into in these years. But the mission of the cause of the day was really important. At that time, we did this ride for peace because a rider had gotten run over during an altercation on the West Side Highway. And we wanted to talk about as motorcyclists having being more peaceful and bringing that into the motorcycle community, and then it turned into riding for peace and us coming together and looking for peace in our lives and the different ways that we move, especially living in New York City. This weekend it falls, the Ride for Peace also falls on the missing and murdered indigenous people, women, and so it's a day that think about my brother, you know, went missing, disappeared in the streets of New York in 1987. We have never heard from him or found him again. He had addictions and lived on the street, and so you know, so for me personally today is also remembering my brother Papo, who is missing, and so the day turns into a lot of different things, all the different things that we look for peace within ourselves, and things that are on our minds, and things within our families. And so, you know, that tobacco is for our prayers. You know, we put that down, that very special tobacco, and we put onto this tree, and you know, for our own prayers, the things that are important to us. So we're gonna sing an honor song, and during that time, everyone can come up and one by one, and you know, you give your own prayer in your own special way. In your own special way, do your own prayer. But again, you know, always remembering that today is a day, a special day within the club, a special day that we come visit this beautiful tree, and all the prayers, all the almost 10 years of prayers that I've put, over 10 years, right? Over 10 years of prayers that this beautiful tree has meant to us, you know, and it's held on to our prayers and helped them go up to the Creator in its breath. And one by one, bringing your tobacco.